Hi, hello, my name is Miguel Regidor and I'm here to talk a little bit about card sorting project. Card sorting project, it's a tool I have been developing for the last 3 months. It's a project sponsored by Summer Beats, and it's a tool for creating card sorting tests, publish them and analyze the results. So I'm going to start by showing an example of what a card sorting test might look like. Here I have a test. As you can see, it's composed by groups and cards. I have the groups in red here and the cards in black. Now I can start sorting them, and I can distribute those cards inside the groups. Let me start, for example, Mozart, calmness, silence for calmness, pendulum, adrenaline rush, prodigy, adrenaline rush, Beethoven, calmness, no, maybe focus. So it's only an example. As you can see in this test, I can also create new cards. If I press new card, I can insert a card. Let me think, a band. So U2, yeah, it's not here. So I can also enter a description. This is sort of a comment. If I want to leave a comment about a card, it's not a cage, it's optional. And after getting the cards inside the correct groups, I can submit my answer, and if everything goes okay, thank you, your answer to this test was registered. So this is what someone that is taking a test should say. But now I'm going to show you how to create this test or a test. For example, if I go to my home, I can see the tests I created. I only have created 2. This is the only one that is published. It's the band's names and feelings. It's the test I was taking before. So because it's published, I cannot edit or publish it, of course. That one is not published, so I can do those things. And before that, if I go to the details there, it brings up that page, and I have the results here. I don't know, for example, Theory Corporation. Those numbers are the occurrences, and here I have the parent group. So this means that Theory Corporation in one test stayed unsorted. In other tests, someone put it inside the calmness group and the distress group. I don't know why, but infected mushroom, someone, or adrenaline rush, euphoria. This is not a very good example because I don't have enough answers to the test to have good results. But there's much more tests and much more results we can come up with from the data we are storing. But for now, we are only checking and calculating the occurrences of each card and also group inside some groups, because also the groups they can be inside other groups. It depends how you build the test. So for example, I have this test. I'm going to create a new one only to show you the interface. So if I create a new test, I can give a title to it. For example, imagine I'm doing a test. I'm imagining that you're going to build a website and you want to know the best way to organize your data, your menus, and so my website data, and here the description is more like a kind of instructions for the people that is going to take the test, because this is the text that is going to appear in the top of the text, and you can enter whatever you want. So the cards careful. Oops. Oh. And here I have some options. Is it possible to create new groups, new cards, place groups inside other groups, rename a card? It depends on the test you're trying to build. You may be interested in enabling some of those options. In my case, I'm going to disable all the options, and now I can start creating the initial survey state. This is what the user is going to see. For example, I'm going to create a group animals description. I can enter a description or not. It's not group people, and now I can enter, for example, names. Miguel, it's my name. Cat. So you can build as many cards and groups you wish, and you can place them, the groups, inside other groups, or you just create the initial state. This is what the user will see when they take the test. And then I just need to create the survey. I'm not going to create this survey because it's not, but I have, for example, one here. I can edit it, and yeah, as you can see, yeah, I can also use images. Currently, the application doesn't permit you to upload the images, but you can do something like image and the link to an image, and it will be inserted. I'm not going to this, but you can enter the initial state, and then you just need to, sorry, I'm going to the details. You can see the details. I just need to publish the survey, and I'll be able to see this link here. And what I need to do now is distribute the link, and as many people as I want to take the test. So if I follow the link, here is the test, and I can start. I think this is a female, not sure. I can create new groups. Maybe I'll create a group for the animals. But this is only one example. I think you can get the idea. So now I'm going to talk a little bit of the technical details of the project. So